Good morning. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is Monday, November 8, 2021. In this video, I discuss an outlook for the Nifty, a short-term outlook, and some stocks which I have given on the TV18 TV channel. I explain the basis for these stocks. My research analyst registration number is written here. This is just a statutory requirement. Every day I explain that you cannot trade on what the people on TV tell you. That's only 5% of the jigsaw puzzle. The other 95% is something that you provide. But essentially, if you are trading the Nifty, you have to trade the Nifty View and with a momentum. Momentum is something that tells you if the short-term market is going up or down. I usually use the Cash Nifty 30-minute chart and use a momentum indicator, which is a modified RSI, which is available here. Much more important than even momentum is context. You cannot blindly listen to an analyst on TV and say, I will do this. No, they have their own view. They have a context which you do not know about. So you have to develop your context and then identify the suggestions with your own perception and see whether it matches you or not and whether it matches the market or not. Please understand, 95% of the work is yours. You have to make the effort to come into a good profit. The Nifty continues to remain in a trading range. I explained this on Wednesday, when the last time we had a chat. On Wednesday morning, I explained this. On Wednesday, the markets actually broke down from the trading range. Then on Diwali day, they retreated back. This is normal because a 100-point trading range is very tight. Even if we are going to go into a trading range, we will expand that range. Now for today, the assumption remains the same. If we cross 1796 as 17960 and stay above it, the Nifty breaks out above our trading range and it's a buy. Remember, it broke down and then retreated back. That is quite possible that it may break up, go higher and then retreat back. So assume that the market is choppy and trade accordingly. Take quick profits if it does come to you. Alembic Pharma has been going through a trading range. There was a stock price split adjustment. So this decline is really that. It's not a real decline because of the split on whatever adjustments were made. But after that, the stock has been in a trading range. Finally, momentum has turned up from these lower support levels. It's an interesting idea. More a positional trade than a day trade, but it's there. You might like to consider it. Hindalco has been falling. See, the momentum has actually gone below the lower line. Not good at all. So this is an intraday short with the stop at above 1 bar high. This is the 1 bar high at 482. Only intraday. I never suggest going short with carry forward trades. Finally, L&T Finance Holding has been choppy, down, up, down. Again, there is a momentum, rally in momentum. It's rising. Perhaps we can go up at least to the previous levels of 92 to 95, this zone. Maybe that is possible. It's an interesting positional trade. I must also tell you that I trade only in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty options. So the trades on stocks that I give you are not the ones I actually trade. They are only suggestions. Well, thank you for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow.